I've lost count of how many times I've seen this question pop up whenever a Jamaican says, I am not African, I am Jamaican. It's as if people immediately forget how nationality and race work. Nobody asks a Nigerian or a Ghanaian if their country is a race. Yet the moment a Jamaican makes a distinction between nationality and ancestry, the question suddenly appears, is Jamaica a race? I get it. Most Jamaicans are of African descent. That's a fact. But being of African descent and being African by nationality are two different things. Just like how someone from the United States can be of Irish, Italian, or Chinese descent, but still identify primarily as American, Jamaicans see themselves as Jamaicans first. That's our nationality, our culture, and our identity. I've noticed that this debate often comes up when Jamaicans express their national identity separately from Africa. But here's the thing. Nigerians don't walk around saying they are Congolese just because they are both from Africa. Ghanaians don't call themselves Ethiopians just because they share the same continent. So why is it such a big deal when a Jamaican simply states that they are Jamaican? What's interesting is that I often see Nigerians and Ghanaians arguing among themselves online. They debate about everything: who has the best jollof rice, who has the better music industry, and I've even seen Nigerians call Nigeria the capital of Africa just to get under the skin of Ghanaians. But no one questions their national identities. No one asks them if Nigeria or Ghana is a race. Yet, when a Jamaican asserts their nationality, it turns into an identity crisis in the eyes of others. The truth is, Jamaicans know their ancestry. We know where our roots trace back to, but we also know that our culture, history, and identity have been shaped by Jamaica itself. That doesn't mean we're rejecting Africa. It just means we are proud of who we are, Jamaicans. So, is Jamaica a race? No, but it is a nation with a strong identity, just like any other. I am a proud Jamaican. My culture, my identity, full stop.